So yeah guys, we're at the beach right now. And this is the trail that I took to get here. Well, that's the trail that's ending out to the water. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the trail. Oh, can't see me. Behind me, going back. Yeah, but yeah, we're gonna go over there. That's a beautiful view. We're gonna go back. Look. All these plant life. And surprisingly, there's something here that I never thought I would see at a beach. Let me see if I can find one and show you guys right away. Here it is, I found one. Look at this, guys. This at the beach. I would have never guessed that they had cactus at the beach. Nope, would have never guessed. But yeah, it's an open field. So let's go back and follow the trail back to where I came from. The sun's up. Bright sun. Bright sun. Alright, there's gone. Alright, here we go. This is the trail. So you can either go this way, all the way out there, to the right, or to the left, actually, to the right or to the left or to the right, or you can go this way. I don't know which way that came from there, so I guess let's just try to go this way, because I didn't see what was over here. Go ahead and take a look. Tree down, tree down. This is a nice little trail. Somebody's box. Are you kidding me? Wow. Guys, we found boxers at the beach. Oh well. Alright, so let's see what else is ahead of us. You know guys, I've lived in Florida all my life and I've never seen this place. This is the first time I've ever come to this place. God, it's a wonderful view. Jeez. My hair's a mess too. But yeah, I got a ponytail in the back. That's why, let me take it out. Much better. But yeah, like I was saying, I've been in Florida all my life. And I just never really got around to see this. It is absolutely beautiful. Guys, there's a lot of things online that they don't, there's a lot of things that they don't show you online, guys. Like, especially like this park. Like if I went to go try to search this up online, I bet you I can't find it, you know. So you got to do a lot of driving around in Florida to find these hidden gems that are on the path, you know, by the beach. Look, there's another trail going down that way. Right down there. Oh, let's see it on the, look at that. And then there's a path down this way. Which way should I take? That way or this way? Let's just go this way. Oh wow, and it leads out to the road too. That's the road. That's A1A, guys, A1A. Such a beauty. Oh, I know where we are. We started from over here. That's right, we did start from over here. This is the entrance right there by that tree, by that big tree right there. That's the entrance. That's where I'm parked over there. But yeah, it goes up this way. There's a sign up. It says Habitat Restoration Project. So it just basically that there's a lot of invasive plants in Florida right now and species. Don't watch out for them. But yeah, so see, the first time around I went right down this way. See, I went this way, right down that way. But this time we're gonna try to go down this way. Oh, this leads out to the beach too. Looks like it. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna lead out to the beach. Let's see where it takes me, guys. It's doing a little curve now. Oh no, it's not taking me out to the beach. It's taking me out to where I was before. No, this is a different entrance to the beach. Wow. Can I go through here? Ooh. Got this little thing stuck on my pants. But yeah, I don't know if we can go through here. Huh. This is like a path that was rarely walked. Whoa. Yeah, no, guys. Can I? Jesus, I'm getting hit left and right by... What is this? What? What is that? They got more down here. They got one down there, one over there. Wow, they're all over the place. What are they? I have no idea what they are. But yeah, that's the beach. The entrance where we came from is out there. Well, the exit, that's where it came from, was out there. But yeah, this just seems like it goes nowhere. So yeah, guys, we're gonna start making our way back. Wow, look at that. That's really cool. Yeah, guys, we're gonna make our way back to where we came from, to the car, because I think this park is closing. The sun is going down. The sun is going down, so I think it's closing. You hear that bird? Wow. This is amazing, guys. I bet you one thing though. That's pretty cool. I bet you one thing though, I would not want to be stuck here at night. This place, I bet you it gets scary at night. I just have something with trails and nighttime. I don't like it. And look, somebody left their towel over here. Somebody left their towel over there. Oh well. Let's just keep following the trail until it leads us back out. Nice butterflies. Nice. Alright, so this is where we were before. I'm pretty sure that this is where we were over there at that trail going up that way. Now let's just go up this way, take a different route around. I think this is the way that I came from, I'm not sure, but yeah. Yeah guys, this is where I was before, remember? Remember guys? I was all the way down over there and I pointed the camera up here. Yeah, that's where we were. Right down there somewhere. Yep. But this time we're gonna go this way. This is where I originally came from the first time. Yeah guys, even though they're doing a restoration of this place right now, it is still a gem, a hidden gem in my book from Florida, South Florida, because like you wouldn't know that this is here unless you drive by over here. It's not gonna really pop up on Google or nothing like that, so you literally have to drive by. See, that's where we went right there. You literally have to drive by to different places in Florida to find these hidden gems. Back to where we came from right there. This big old tree. And then it leads to like this little boardwalk with the bathroom over there. There's the bathroom right there. See, that's the bathroom. And that's a place to take a shower when you get out of the water. Get out of the water, you go right there. Restrooms are right here. But yeah guys, these are the flags for the beach. If you don't know what they mean, the colors, here you go. Alright, we're just gonna follow this little boardwalk down to the end. It's a nice little boardwalk. And it also leads out to the beach as well. This is where I originally started from. Over here, I just filming from the very end, guys. But yes, this is where I originally started from, right here. And then the trail goes that way. Look at these things. crazy. We got them everywhere. But yeah, as you can see, guys, it leads out to the beach right there. And that is... We came from somewhere out over there, like where that grassy area goes up right there. That's where we came from. So yeah. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So if you like this video, you guys already know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also put a comment down below what you thought about this video or any other videos that you guys want me to do. Well, until next time, fam, later.